is happening, everybody? TC here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com, and we've got something really cool going on. So, this is our first post about this, and we have teamed up with Worksharp. That's right, Worksharp. You know them from their sharpeners and all of their really cool tools. So, we have teamed up with them for the Quest 2.0. Now, if any of you follow Worksharp on social media, you know, last summer they did the Quest, and it was insanely popular. We have teamed up with them to be a part of the Quest 2.0, and we're really excited. Before we get started, though, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that notification bell so you will know when we drop new videos and give you really cool opportunities like this right here. Now, without further ado, let's light it up. All right, here's the deal. We've got a really cool opportunity. I won't say giveaway, even though it kind of is. So you definitely got to earn it, and this one's going to be interesting. So we've teamed up with Worksharp for the Quest 2.0. Last year they did the Quest. It was insanely popular with all of their social media influencers hiding these boxes full of gear. This year, they've teamed up with a select few retailers. We are lucky enough to be one of the very few retailers that they've teamed up with to do the Quest 2.0. So what is happening is there are numerous boxes being hidden on public lands across the U.S. What's going to happen is we've got a box right here. We're going to go and hide it. And we are the only ones. And actually, to keep things fair, I'm going to be the only person who knows where this box is. That way we don't have any chance of any leaks getting out there. So I'm going to go hide this box. There's going to be no chance of anyone else knowing where this is. 2 weeks later, on social media, you'll have to follow us. You'll have to follow Worksharp. We're going to start releasing hints as to where the box is. At that point, you can start searching for it. We're going to release some video hints, some text hints. So you've got to really pay attention. It's going to be tricky. But if you can find this box, there's going to be a lot of really, really, really cool stuff in it. Not to mention the box itself. So let's dive in, take a look at what you're getting with this box. First off, this is a really cool, very big Yeti dry box. So this is the Yeti Loadout Go box. And this thing is really cool. It's got a caddy inside. It's got a pack attic. It's a dry box, so it's actually it's got the seal on the inside here. We're gonna open this puppy up and see what's inside from Worksharp here. So I'm actually gonna set it down off the table, right there, and we're gonna pop this puppy open and see what we got. So open it up here. Looks like in the pack attic right here, we've got a small cutting board with the juice grooves around the outside edge right there. So really, really, really cool cutting board right there that fits really nicely in this box. We've got the Worksharp guided field sharpener. And to me right there, that is my favorite by far. And I think one of the best, if not the best, field sharpeners out there. With its versatility, what it provides, I think that's the best sharpener on the market right there for throwing in a bag, keeping with you, and sharpening out in the field. I think it's phenomenal. That's my favorite one right there, and absolutely love that thing. Also got, oh, that's nice. They included a silica gel packet. Don't eat that. So that is in this box. We've also got the little caddy that fits in the box here with the handle, handy-dandy handle. We've got a Phoenix HM50R headlamp right there. That one's coming in with 700 lumens, 115 meters maximum beam distance, 16340 battery, USB-C charger, white and red light, so it's going to be good for navigation in low light situations and not interfering with night vision, anything like that. So white and red lights. It's a headlamp and flashlight combined, so it actually pops off. You can use it as a flashlight as well. Runtime on that output, 700 lumens. Runtime is 1 hour. 400 lumens, so a little bit more than half, is 3 hours. 130 lumens, which is the medium setting, is 8 hours. At 30 lumens, so the low light setting, 42 hours. The red light setting, 5 lumens, red light, 60 hours for like map reading and stuff like that. And then the red flash, 5 lumens, 120 hours. So really, really, really good specs on that Phoenix HM50R light. Also got some swag in here from Worksharp. Got some stickers, got some patches. Really cool stuff there from Worksharp. Got your tag for the Yeti Loadout Go box right there. Hang on. We're going to pause. Hey, honey. I'm doing good. I'm in the middle of recording a video. I love you. Bye. Continuing on, also in this caddy, we've got the Worksharp X Benchmade Bug Out. So this is Worksharp's exclusive bug out with the Worksharp color scheme. It's coming in with the yellow FRN handles, CPM 20 CV blade, and I mean, that's a phenomenal value right there. You're talking, we're getting up into some money here. You're talking Phoenix headlamp, we've got the Worksharp field sharpener, but that's not all. Oh, what have we got here? Also in the caddy, we've got a pair of Costas. This is the Lido in matte black, gray 580G. So a really nice pair of Costa sunglasses right there. That's also going to come in this dry box. Then it looks like underneath the caddy in the box, we've got a bunch more stuff. So let's take a look at this right here. We've got a Worksharp WSKTS Ken Onion Edition electric sharpener. So that's really nice. Greg, do you know what the value of that? What we sell that for? $129.95 right there. That's fantastic. Oh, looks like we've got more in here. So we've got a Camp Chef roll. We're going to unroll that right there. Looks like we got a Camp Chef set right here with a chef's knife, Santoku right there, tongs, spatula right there, and spoon. So a nice camp cooking set right there in a nice Camp Chef roll. The way to cook outdoors. Another great value. We've got a ceramic kitchen honing rod that's going to come in that right there from Worksharp. A Worksharp Outdoor Sharpeners t-shirt. Also, a Leatherman rebar is going to come in that as well. So you're talking a phenomenal value, but that's not all. There's more. But wait, there's more. You're also going to get some swag from us. We've got some stickers that are going in this pack from SMKW. Some limited edition stickers, too. We've got our Halloween sticker from last year. We've got a BRS t-shirt going in there. We've got several hats. So we've got a Costa hat right here that Worksharp threw in. We've also got a Worksharp Quest hat that's going in the box as well. We've got a limited edition Blades hat. Now, this is a Smoky Mountain Knife Works Blades hat that was not actually produced. This is a sample, so this was never actually put in production. We don't actually have these. This is a one-off. That's the only one that exists right there. That's going in there, as well as an SMKW Cold Steel hat. We've also got a Blades shirt, just like the one I'm wearing right now. We've also got a Cold Steel Tiger Claw that is going in there too. Nice folding karambit. And we've also got, we just happen to have this lying around, a Tour Knives Merchant. And this is a special edition too. This is one they sent us back at the beginning of the year. And this one is not one of their typical production models. So this is a Merchant with the Tonto blade right there. Color scheme's a little bit different than what you've seen. And phenomenal action. Just listen to how smooth that is right there. And let's see if I can reverse flick it. Yep, that's nice right there. With the deep carry pocket clip, titanium handles. So that is also going to be in this, coming with the frog lube in there as well. And a couple of Tour stickers. So all of that is going to be in this box, folks. So stay tuned on social media. I'm going to go out into the woods, hide this thing. In a couple of weeks, you're going to see some hints starting to be dropped, and at that point, you can go searching for this thing. And if you can find it, if you're the lucky person that finds this thing, you're going to go home with a lot of really, really cool gear. Not to mention the really nice Yeti Go Box itself. So check it out, folks. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and stay tuned on social media so that you will know when we start dropping these hints, so that you can head out. And like I said, this is going to be hidden on public land. You don't have to worry about this being on private property or somewhere that is illegal for you to go. This is going to be on public land, so it is going to be open to everyone. So stay tuned. That way you can get some hints on where this box is hidden and see if you can find it. Folks, as always, it's been me, TC here, Smoky Mountain Knife Works. And remember, if it cuts like something sharpened with a Worksharp, then we carry.
What are we doing today, TC?
Oh, apparently not shooting me. So also in this caddy, looks like we've got a Worksharp X Take 2 to match Works. We've got the Worksharp X. God bless America. No, I don't need a dad joke.
You need a dad joke. A dad joke will help you.
What?
You're thinking of hiding this in the woods, right?
Yep.
Do you know what a woodpecker's favorite kind of jokes are?
What? Knock knock jokes.
I still like it.
Go sit down. Gabba boom. Boom. Bitch. I was waiting for it.